Today we're going to draw a nice emoji. So you can see that I have already drawn a full circle here previously. Now let's see what we can draw. So we're going to draw the eyebrow on top. This is a black dark color. That's why I'm using the marker to draw the shapes. Alright. Then I'm going to use the little bit thin lines to draw other parts and visible parts. This is going to be the eyes. That's why I'm using the round shapes here. Another round shape inside, another eye you can see here. All right. Okay, for the shape of the mouth we can draw like this. This is because we're going to draw a finger here. It's like shush, do not talk. That's like symbolic presentation. So we're going to draw the hand. You can see the drawing is in progress. All right. Okay, so this is the left side. On the other side I can draw the another hand on the right hand. So this is almost done. You can see the progress here. All right, so it looks nice. Little part is left here in the side, and I'm going to fill it up with this pen. So this is the basic presentation. Now I'm going to color the whole things up. So let's put the color nicely from one surface to the other steps. Fill it up the whole area. All right. So you can see the thing is going to be very nice. This emoji is becoming very colorful and nice. All right, so the drawing, it's looking good, looking good. For the lips we are going to put the red color. Let's draw it with the red color. You can see. All right, so this part is done. Now the other part, let's put the color in it. Okay, little red here. All right, and the eyeball, we're going to put the black color to make it darker. All right, Okay, so the drawing is nicely done. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. You can browse through the categories. I have the playlist, so lots of drawings are there. Please subscribe the channel as you like it. Thank you so much. Stay with Blue Hand Drawing. Stay nice, stay healthy. Have a good day.